Now, this is the closest thing to magic in our collection. This is a self-cleaning fabric. So how does this work? Well, we nano-coated this material so that it reacts to visible light. Well, it breaks down organic material on the surface of the fabric. We have tested this with things like soy sauce, sugary drinks, teas, and other natural contaminants. And when we put this in visible light, and then what happens is that the nano-coating breaks down the material, and it prevents it from staining or creating odors on this fabric. The stronger the light source, the faster the reaction is. So if you put this in sunlight, the reaction is very quick, but it also works on all visible light. So you can do this indoors, and it'll be fine. Typically, we all have to wash our clothes, and it gets dirty during regular daily use. Now you have this material that you don't have to take care of your clothes, and you don't have to wash it as often. And in the process, it saves you water and electricity. So it's much more energy efficient, it's better for you, it's better for the environment.